Hi y'all. Welcome to its L24 Vlogy. I got a few makeup products from Nika. Let me share my personal views on it. This eye pop liner, I got it as a free gift, but didn't think this would be so good. It applies smoothly on the skin. Next, we're seeing Swiss Beauty's Makeup Fixer. I got this for 197 rupees. They say it's waterproof and gives 16-hour stay. Please subscribe for more interesting videos. Smooth rub on the applicator doesn't remove. As you could see, rubbing by more pressure, it erases the liner. You should see when a setting spray or water liquid is applied, it doesn't smudge and come out. Next, we are seeing Swiss Beauty's 3-in-1 eyeliner, eyebrow filler, and kajal. I got this for 275 Rs. Check Shorts video of this in our channel. Lastly, we are seeing this Mars lip palette. Shade 02. Bought for 255 rupees. It has spatula and brush. It has 16 shades. Please hit like for more interesting videos. This is very smooth while applying. It's not drying. When you apply on lips, please set it with powder for longer stay. I tried setting it with powder, and actually it changed to matte finish and stay very long. It has 16 shades.